How would you like to transform a favorite junk food into a healthy, spooky brownie? Come on, let's go! Hi, I'm Joann Loy, and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. If you're looking for healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet, you're in the right place. So please subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future tips and recipes. Everybody loves brownies, and we all know how unhealthy they can be, but I'm going to show you how to make a raw, vegan version of it that is simply delicious. For this raw vegan fudge brownie, we'll need almonds, walnuts, dates, vanilla, cinnamon, cacao powder, and sea salt. Check the description below for the full recipe. So put all the ingredients into the food processor. 1½ cup raw almonds soaked 8 hours or overnight. 1½ cups raw walnuts soaked 4 or more hours. 2½ cup medjool dates pitted and soaked if not soft. 2 pinches of sea salt, we use pink Himalayan. 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup raw cacao powder. Blend these together until you get a thick, sticky batter that packs together well. Be sure to stick around to the end for a real treat, no trick. See how it holds together? It's okay to be a bit chunky. Small bits of dates give it a fudgy texture. I like to use food grade gloves because it tends to be a little sticky and they keep my hands clean. I also like to line the square pan with parchment paper to make it easier to serve. Pack it in tightly to get the brownie texture. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button now. It'll really help us out a lot. This is delicious, but let's add some icing to take it over the top. Be sure to watch our other Halloween recipe videos. We'll link them in the description below and in the info card. Watch this video if you want to add the optional raw vegan cream cheese frosting. It's great for decorating the brownie for Halloween. The raw vegan cream cheese frosting recipe is also in the description below. So let's spin a web for our little spider that we'll make later. Pack the frosting into a decorator bag or Ziploc freezer bag and cut off a corner to pipe out the icing for our design. Now take a large grape and stick 4 toothpicks all the way through to make his 8 legs. Pipe on more icing for his eyes, then put him on his web. Doesn't that look delicious? What treat would you like us to remake in a healthy way? Let us know in the comments below. Now stay tuned for a real treat. Keep this refrigerated. It should last for about a week. Cut into squares and serve. Be sure to download our free ebook with more Halloween recipes in the description below. You can use leftover icing to put more on each brownie for the kids or for yourself. You can also use it as a fruit dip. It's amazing. Remember, you can have your comfort foods, but in a healthy way. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos and recipes. Watch these videos around me to get more healthy tips and recipes. Thanks for watching.